How to enable Mistouch Prevention keyboard in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the Mistouch Prevention feature of your Android device keyboard. So if your device supports Mistouch Prevention keyboard, let me show how you can enable this. So in order to enable this, simply go to the settings of your Android device, and then from there simply scroll down until you see this option that says system and update. So simply click onto this system and update option, and under this system and update option you will find something that says keyboard and input method. So you need to look for the word keyboard and then tap onto that particular option. Now under this particular setting you will see under the keyboard settings this option that says Mistouch Prevention. Swiping on the left or right edges of the keyboard will not return you to the previous page. So if you want to enable it, simply tap onto this particular toggle and it will be enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.